Now that the car is ready, let's go ahead, put the code and let's race. A board fresh out of the factory should have the RGB LED blinking. Let's go ahead and plug in the USB cable to the board. As you see, you have red, green, blue RGB lights just frequently changing. That means the board is good to go. Now let's go ahead and put the actual car code on the board so that we can control it using our mobile app. Go to this GitHub page, download the code. Once you have the code loaded in the Arduino IDE, let's go ahead and connect the board. If you haven't yet added the support for Mercury Board, please go ahead and watch this video where we show how you can add the Mercury Board support for Arduino and come back. Now that you have Mercury Board support, let's go ahead and do a couple of things. First, choose Tools menu, select Board, select Ralio and choose Mercury version 2 board. Once done, choose Tool menu again, go to Port and select which port this board would be connected to. Usually it's connected to USB or serial port. Go ahead and choose the appropriate port. Now that the board is connected to Arduino, let's go ahead and upload the code for the car. To do so, just click the upload button. And as you know, for us to upload the code on this board, as soon as you see connecting, go ahead and click the flash button on the board. You can let go of the button in 5 seconds or whenever you see the code has started to upload. Once the code has successfully uploaded, go ahead and unplug the USB cable. Now we are almost ready to go ahead and control this car using our mobile app. To do so, we'll obviously have to connect our mobile app with the board. First, let's go ahead and power the board. Be very careful while powering the board. Go ahead and insert all 3 pins of the battery connector to all 3 pins on the board. When successfully done, you'll see the indicator light glow. Please go and see this video as to what would happen if you do this incorrectly. Now we need our mobile app to talk with this board. To do so, we'll have to connect to the board Wi-Fi access point. Let's go ahead and connect to the board Wi-Fi. Go to the Wi-Fi menu and you will see a network called Scout. Select that network. There will be a prompt to put a password. Go ahead and put scout @2025. Once done, hit connect. The cell phone should connect to this Wi-Fi access point. Once done, you will see connected to device. From here, we should now go to our mobile app. Before we are able to run, we'll have to go and check few settings. Click on the settings menu. First, go ahead and select your robot. In our case, it's the Scout. Next, for the IP address and remote port, ensure both the entered values match with the values in the code. Once this is verified, click Save. Jump to the control panel from top right. Now to ensure that we've successfully connected to the board, let's just go ahead and click any button. Say stop. We see the red light turned on. This ensures a successful connection. Now let's go ahead and connect one motor at a time. Starting with front left, connect the motor on the board. Let's click the forward button to ensure the rotation is correct. Well, it is. Next, let's go for rear left. Again, let's go ahead and click the forward button. You see the rear wheel is rotating in the wrong direction. To fix this, simply just rotate the connector and plug it back in. Let's click the forward button again, and you see both the wheels are rotating correctly. Let's do the same exercise for the other two wheels. First, forward right. Rotates correctly. Next, rear right. Rotates correctly. Let's do a final test. From here, we are good to go. Drive safely.